All right, I'm going to be reviewing this otoscope. This is basically an ear cleaner. Usually our ears do a really good job of cleaning themselves, but in the past I've overused Q-tips and you're really not supposed to do that. So I was concerned that I had some excessive earwax in my ear that just couldn't be gotten out. So I wanted to check it out with this thing and see what I saw. It charges via USB. You can't use it while it's charging. It turns on by pushing and holding this button here. Then it lights up just like that. This light blinks because it's looking for a connection to my phone, but it basically connects via Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth. You connect to this thing's own Wi-Fi network. And then after you do that, you can go back to the app and see out this camera right here. I've been able to get some, what I think is really impressive video with it. It's really fun to use. I didn't think I'd say that, but you do need to be careful with it. This tip here at the top actually comes off. If you rotate it off like this, it will come off. So you really need to make sure that it is secure on there before you insert it into your ear. In addition to that, this silicone piece will also come off. That's so that you can change it out if it gets too nasty. So you're going to make sure that this is all the way tightened, and you want to make sure that the silicone piece is all the way on before putting it into your ear canal. It also comes with a manual, and that goes over how to connect it to your phone, some precautions, some notes, how to change the various pieces if they get too dirty. Comes with a USB cord, several of the silicone pieces that you can swap out as needed, as well as an extra metal piece that you can screw on the top, and also various accessories here. Now I haven't used these because they don't screw onto the camera, and I'd be quite nervous trying to use these without seeing exactly where they're going. But if you know what you're doing, these can be helpful in cleaning out your ears as well. Like I said, I got some really interesting videos when trying to clean my ears. You definitely want to be super careful with this. You could certainly do some damage to your eardrum if you're not careful. If you feel any kind of pressure whatsoever, don't panic. Just gently pull the whole otoscope back out of your ear canal. You definitely don't want to go too deep with this. You don't want to do any damage. As the manual says, go slowly, go gently, never go deeper than you can see with your eyes. So the camera could definitely be an aid, but you don't want to go too much deeper than what you can actually see with your eyes anyway. But yeah, I'm really glad that I got this thing. It's definitely useful in getting out that extra earwax that I just couldn't get out with a Q-tip, or maybe shouldn't get out with a Q-tip. But like I said, you want to be very careful with this. You don't want to lose your hearing. So none of this is medical advice, and this is not a toy, but I have found it useful, and I'm glad that I got it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission, and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.